Right, here we have a Audi A4 B9 model Avant. So we're going to be doing ambient lighting in this vehicle today. So I'll just go through what we're planning to do on this car. So it's going to have basically the full works. So we're going to be doing a strip along the top here. And also we've got a factory light here as well on the doors, which we're going to upgrade. So it should give a nice sort of glow effect. And also do a light as well there in the door pocket. On the dashboard, the customer wants a strip at the top, on the driver's side, and on the center and the passenger side, a strip running all across here. There. You can also do it here at the bottom, or you can do it here as well. There's loads of places you can do it on this model of this Audi A4. We're also going to be upgrading the factory ambient cup holder lights. Also putting a strip here as well, and also there is a factory ambient light that goes here and shine downwards on the side of the gearbox area. We're going to be upgrading that as well. So full factory upgrade on this vehicle. It's going to be done, and additional strips, and of course our footwell lights, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. On the back door we'll be doing the same, so we'll have strip going across the top here. Upgrade the factory ambient light, that will be then giving a nice glow effect on the door to shine down, and also a light in the door pocket, and then 2 footwell lights in the back as well. So yeah, it's going to be having the full work, so stay tuned and we'll update you on our progress. Right, so we've started taking the center console apart. We've got the strips in for the driver's side and the center console and passenger side there. That's done. Done the main wiring as well for all the main box and everything. So we're just taking the center console apart now, then we will be moving on to the doors. So yeah, and we're upgrading all the factory lighting on the center console. So yeah. Right, so we've moved on to the doors now. The center console's finished. So we've got a strip along there. The cup holders have been upgraded, and the factory ambient on the side of the gearbox area as well. And we've got a strip across the dash and strip on the driver's side dash there. So we just moved on to the doors. So stay tuned and we'll show you our finished project. Right, so here we have the completed Audi A4 B9 shape. So as you can see, we've got a strip on the center console and the dashboard area there. And we've also got a strip there in the gearbox area. We also upgraded the factory lighting as well, so the cup holders and also the lighting on the side here of the gearbox area. Also all 4 footwells. The doors have also been upgraded, so as you can see we've got a strip on the door. Also upgraded the factory lighting as well on the door as well, so as you can see you got a nice glow effect going down the door, and also the door pocket lights as well have also been done. So yeah, its car's basically had the full work. So we upgraded the full factory ambient, which syncs in with our ambient kit, and also added strips and our own lighting as well. So as you can see, just looks amazing, nice and bright. All customizable. It's got multiple colors, multiple modes. You can set the brightness separate, etc. Everything as well. Full 1-year warranty with our kits as well, and with the fitting. So any issues within the year we fit it, we'll sort it out free of charge. So yeah, as you can see, everything's back to the way it should be as well. No wires hanging out anywhere. Strips are all nicely put in. So as you can see, they're all nicely flush with the doors as well. So it gives it a nice sort of factory ambient look as well. So it looks OEM. It doesn't look extra with all the wires hanging out, everything anyway. But yeah, looking amazing.